Today, I'm going to teach you how to lose face fat and get a sharp, chiseled look. I know many of us want to get rid of extra fat around the face. The good news is you can do it, but it takes time, effort, and the right plan. I'll show you simple ways that work. No confusing advice, just real, easy steps. Let's begin. First thing you need to understand is that face fat isn't just on your face. When you have fat in your face, it's usually because you have extra fat in your whole body. Your face shows it too. To lose face fat, you need to lose fat from your whole body. You can't target fat from just one part of your body. Many people try to do face exercises or chew gum to make their face thinner. But those things don't work. You can't just lose fat from your cheeks or chin by doing specific exercises. It's a myth. So the first rule is, lose body fat and your face will slim down with time. Simple as that. Now, let's talk about what you need to do with food. To lose fat, you need to eat fewer calories than your body needs to stay the same. This is called being in a caloric deficit. To do this, find out how many calories your body needs each day. You can use a free online tool for this. It's called TDEE, Total Daily Energy Expenditure. 2. Then, eat about 300 to 500 calories less than your TDEE. Do not eat way less than that, because starving yourself is not healthy and can slow down your metabolism. 3. Focus on eating healthy foods like fruits, vegetables, chicken, eggs, and other protein-rich foods. Protein helps keep your muscles while you lose fat. 4. Avoid junk food and sugary drinks. These can cause bloating and make your face look puffier. This method works slowly, but it's the right way. You'll lose fat from your whole body, including your face. Sometimes your face looks fat, but it's not actually fat. It's water or bloating. Bloating happens when your body holds extra water. It makes your face look puffier, even though you're not gaining fat. Here's why bloating can happen. Eating too much salt. And drinking too little water. Drinking alcohol. Not getting enough sleep. Eating too much junk food, like chips or fast food. Here's how to stop bloating and make your face look thinner. 1. Drink more water. Drink at least 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. 2. Cut back on salt. Too much salt makes you hold water. 3. Eat foods that help remove extra water, like bananas, spinach, and cucumbers. 4. Get 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night. Poor sleep makes your body hold water. 5. Cut out alcohol for a few weeks. Alcohol makes you hold more water and look puffier. 6. Avoid eating too much at night. Large meals late at night can make you wake up with a bloated face. If you do these things, you'll see a difference in just 5 to 7 days. Your face will look less puffy and you'll feel better too. Now, let's talk about how you can shape your face while losing fat. You've probably seen people talking about chewing gum to make your jawline sharper. The truth is, gum chewing won't do that. But there are exercises you can do to strengthen your jaw muscles. Here are a few exercises that really work. 1. Mewing. This means resting your tongue on the roof of your mouth and gently touching your teeth together. It helps to improve your facial structure over time. 2. Jaw exercises. You can use jaw exercisers, but only do it for about 5 minutes a day. Too much can hurt your jaw muscles. 3. Neck lifts. Stand or sit up straight. Slowly lift your chin upwards while moving your head back. This will help tone your neck and jaw muscles. These exercises help your jaw look sharper and more defined. They don't burn fat directly, but they help tighten the skin around your jaw. You need to do more than just eat less. You need to move. This means getting active. Cardio, like running or walking, helps you burn calories and lose fat. Weightlifting helps keep your muscles strong while you lose weight. It stops your body from getting too weak as you lose fat. Here's the best workout plan. 3 to 4 days of weightlifting. Do exercises like squats, push-ups, and pull-ups. These exercises work big muscle groups and help burn fat. 2 to 3 days of cardio. This could be walking, jogging, or cycling for 30 minutes. 1 day of high-intensity exercises. You can do things like jumping jacks or sprinting for 10 to 20 minutes. This burns fat quickly. When you follow this plan, you'll lose fat from your body and your face. When you get your body fat to 15% or lower, that's when your jawline will really start to show. Good posture can make a big difference in how your face looks. When you slouch or lean your head forward, it can make your face look soft or round. But when you stand or sit up straight, your jawline becomes more visible. Here are some simple posture tips. Chin tucks. Move your head back slowly while keeping your chin down. This will help tighten the muscles in your neck and jaw. Sit up straight and keep your shoulders back. Keep your phone or screen at eye level. This helps you avoid leaning your head forward. And sleep on your back with a flat pillow. This prevents extra pressure on your face. By fixing your posture, you can make your jawline look sharper without even losing any fat. While you're working on losing fat, there are simple tricks you can use to make your face look sharper right now. Here's what you can do. Lighting. Use lighting from above to create shadows under your jaw. This will make your jawline look sharper. Trim your facial hair. If you have a beard, trim it to shape your jawline. A well-groomed beard can make your face look more defined. Use makeup if you want. Light contouring can highlight your jawline and make it look sharper in photos or on camera. These simple tricks can help your jawline look more defined right now, even while you're still working on losing overall face fat. But let's be real, this isn't something that happens overnight. You didn't gain face fat in just a day, so you can't expect to lose it that fast either. It takes time, patience, and the right strategy. The key is to stay consistent. In the first couple of weeks, you might only notice small changes, but give it 3 to 4 weeks, and your face will start to look a bit slimmer. By 8 to 12 weeks, you'll likely begin to see a noticeable difference. Your jawline will start to pop. So don't give up. Stick to your plan and keep your eyes on the bigger picture. Here's the formula that works every time. And eat fewer calories than you burn daily. Stay active with regular movement or workouts. Improve your posture. It makes a huge visual difference. Use small tricks like good lighting and grooming to enhance your features. And above all, be consistent and trust the process. You're not just chasing a sharp jawline, you're building discipline and a better version of yourself. Stay focused, keep pushing, and the results will come. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and hit the subscribe button for more.